person driving a mint green Man Ray 5, please report to security. You're parked in my space.
Kill this little runt already?
Now, in order to shut down the central core, you must destroy all the green power nodules around the station. I am updating them on your minimap. Can you see them? You did it, Ratchet. Now, come meet me back at our containment area. I have a plan. Ratchet, I have found a way to shut down the containment fields and release all the heroes.
You're kidding. That's amazing.
He's had help.
Al? You're alive. They said your body was beyond repair.
No biggie. I got a new one. Check this out.
Whoa. Okay. So, what's the plan?
We have acquired schematics for the entire Battledome. There is a central computer on the control level that regulates power to the containment fields.
So what? Reprogram it? Hack it?
Blast it! Just blow it up, and the fields go down.
Okay, so how do I get to the control level?
I have reprogrammed the Battledome shuttle to take you there, but it is a one-way ride. Ratchet, there are new challenges available in the Battledome. When you are ready, the Battledome shuttle can take you there.
Clank, come in. Can you hear me? Something just doesn't seem right here. Not good.
Well, well, well! What have we here, Dreadzone fans? A contestant attempting to sabotage the Battledome? How exciting! If he succeeds, the rest of the contestants go free! But if he fails, I've wired the Battledome with 6 gigatons of nitroglycerin. If Ratchet doesn't disarm the detonator before time runs out, the Battledome will be blown into 1,000,000,000,000 pieces!
That's insane!
Au contraire. If I was still on the Battledome, then it would be insane. But I happen to have a truly lovely view of the action from a remote location.
What about the thousands of fans in the Battledome? You gonna kill all of them, too?
Of course not! You are! Unless you shut your cake hole and get moving. Go on now. Your audience is waiting.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the final episode of Dreadzone. Oh, God! We're all gonna die!
The mood is positively electric as the audience braces to find out if they will survive the next 10 minutes. I can't believe I'm reading this.
I had my whole life ahead of me. I was gonna be a ballet dancer.
Pull yourself together, you blabbering idiot!
Thank you, Juanita. Superstar contestant Ratchet faces his toughest challenge yet to deactivate the Battledome's formidable defense systems and defeat Gleeman Vox himself. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Ratchet for being such a great role model and a pillar of our community. If anybody can save us, it's you, Ratchet.
We're rooting for you, little buddy.